Welcome to X11 Garage. And I think I broke my grinder. Now I don't want to work at all. I think it's not well. Time for a new one. Yeah, poor thing. I've had it a long time. But it's gonna have to go. Goodbye. As you can see, we've insulated the roof. Some LED bulbs just to stop the condensation. See the insulation all the way to the front. We have a small heater because of the weather, and the dehumidifier. Not a big one, gotta get a bigger one. But it's working on my tools. They're all drying out. No condensation. I need to clean them because of the dampness. Everything's been getting rusty. It's been very poor. The weather's terrible lately. Oh, we've had 1 or 2 nice dry days. Which is why I managed to do this. Get all the insulation up. Get a heater in. Oh, unboxing. I showed you earlier that I burnt up my grinder. So, we bought a new one. And there it is. A new Makita. And there's a box for it. Something nice. Easy to work with, not overly expensive, some silly prices. And because that was so handy, I bought a power file. A few of my friends swear by these. They work really well. You get into small places and get a nice clean up. Nice in the hand, small motor. Yeah, and after we bought the grinder, I bought the power file. A few of my mates swear by these. Get into small areas, do a nice polishing job. Not too expensive, not too noisy. Yeah. I'm going to use it for doing little bits on the bikes, which I never thought I could do before. And now I got a power file. It makes life easier. So we gotta get these bits sorted out tomorrow. Keep the heater on so it keeps the garage nice and dry. Then we're gonna do some more work on the bike. She needs a good clean, and she needs oil cooler sorted out. She just passed the MOT. Yay! I didn't film it, but it passed with 1 advisory, so it's doing well. Good bike. 21.5 years now. She's been going, and I've owned it from new. And I still love it to bits. There's nothing out there that compares to it for the comfort for a big person. I think they're awesome. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you later. Cheerio.